What's up, Kijin, and welcome back to episode 4 of Monster Hunter Wilds. Like my new drip? Yes. Nice sword jet. Look at this person, dang. I like that, the lobby area. Look at that, that's pretty nice. Alright, we're gonna talk to her and get going.
Ready to head out? Okay, campsite, here we
Let me
come.
start the alarm here. Or the timer. Bunch of these guys, huh? Look at Chad showed up. I am the Alpha. Time to kill the chunky boy. Oh, maybe not. Destroyed all my stuff.
This is what happens when monsters have a leader. They're not afraid of us anymore.
What happened?
Some Doshagama happened.
This is really getting out of hand. What do you plan to do?
Warn the people of Kunafa and pray that they believe us.
We've made some headway too. If the White Wraith is here in the forest, it's... Well, perhaps we leave that for later. Warning the villagers is more urgent.
Olivia, can I go with them? I can't bear to think what happened to my village could happen to Isai and Nona's too.
Nata, to what end does a hunter exist? What are these weapons we carry for? It's an answer you'll have to find for yourself. And once you do, we'll be here for you. Okay?
We should hurry.
Let go.
What are you doing here? It's nearly Santide. You should take shelter somewhere safe.
Sai, listen to me. The Doshagama have formed a pack, and we think they're heading to your village. We have to speak to the Elder and convince her to evacuate the village. There's no time.
Wait, what? The Doshaguma?
This is serious. You've got to believe us.
All right, I believe you. But the Elder... Wait, I bet Zato could convince her. He went to the Oasis to protect the water bearers.
The Oasis. Got it. Thanks.
Careful out there, Hunter.
Help! Zato's in trouble!
What's wrong?
We were attacked by a horde of sand leviathans. Zato stayed behind to lure them away.
It must be the monsters we saw on the sand ship.
Yeah, I was
The
about to say those
Volcano.
freaking worm things.
I'll take these two back to the village. You hurry to the Oasis.
On it.
Over there!
Oh, dang. Valhalla.
Why are you here? You can't do this alone.
Hey, he's got a weapon though.
We need to shake them off. Follow me.
Too many of them.
I will draw their ire. Cover me. You got it. Be careful. Here it comes. Watch out for their mucus. Be ready. If we can make it to the rocks, we may lose them. Oh no! Quicksand!
Of course. Great.
You okay?
They like having their run moments, don't they?
I think I can manage. Let's get away from here.
As I feared, it picked up our scent.
I'll handle it. You find someplace safe.
Thank you.
Bro's got a weapon though.
Incoming!
Oh. Alright, here we go. Oh. Oh, quit trying to spit things on me, bro. I don't appreciate that. Oh, that was a bad angle, bro. The stab, I just need to be more cognizant of it. So should have ate before this fight. I'm starting to lose energy now. Come on. Gotcha. He ain't going nowhere. Just need to get used to the control. Whoa! Let's climb this wall. Let's go. Where you at? Just down there. Come on. Oh dang, what's that crap? Oh crap. Oh, there's hangers. Nice.
Get a load of these claws.
Did I miss that? No, I hit it. Let's go. Bro's running already because he's weak. I like the drip. Making a wound on you, huh? How you like that? Hold on. 18. 18. Ugh. I'm losing. Nope. The sand shit. Yeah, no. Rick James, don't. Oh shit. Bro's in an angry mode, huh? Gotcha. Dang, I missed. Gotcha. No, dang. He actually countered. I don't know how he did that. Oh my gosh, come on. He doesn't like to get stunned by these attacks, huh? Let me hit you. There you go. I need to... This might hurt. Oh wait, no, he's leaving, so I got time. Sharpen this blade up. He's definitely hurting right now. Let's go. Buy a cactus or something. Now it looks like, oh, it is some. Windward Alloy. I really like that hook. Oh, I'll get the sword out. I'm totally missing right now. Oh, I hit him with the good stuff. Gotcha. I missed it all. Well, except for that, but I missed the most important part of that combo. Oh, did I not? Was there... did I cut off a piece of its tail and not get it, though? Oh, it's right there. Okay. Whew. I was worried I couldn't do this in front of your face. Oh, he's mad. He's angry. Okay. Good job. Oh. Gotcha. Taste it. Boom! I am totally whipping right now. Oh. Huge whip. There it is. Taste it. Oh, he's dead. Sucks I got the red mode. Full charge. Give me your stuff! You gotta have some good defensive armor, I'm guessing. Haha. Yeah, the tail's already been carved, right? Yeah. Fully carved. Okay. What's that up here? Oh, flash bug, give me. Yeah, I didn't even use a flasher or nothing. Flash bug. Alright. There we go. Okay. Hold on a second, I need to put a cut in here. Hey, sorry about that. I had to check someone rang a doorbell and somebody else gave me a call right after that happened, so it took me a minute. Alright, let's see what we got here. Killed him.
We did it. I hope Zato's okay.
Making sure.
Are you alright? Thank the winds. That encounter was nearly the end of me. I owe you my life. That was incredible back there. I could have never imagined. To think a person could stand against a monster like that.
I'm sorry to be curt, but could you listen? The village is in terrible danger. There's no time to explain. We'll talk while we ride.
Hunter! Oh, you found Zato. Yusai is at the Elder's house trying to convince her.
Zato. Just who I was looking for. Isai here says that a pack of Doshaguma is closing in on the village.
Please, Elder, you have to believe them. Everyone must seek shelter.
Nonsense. The sound of the gem chimes is and always has been the only shelter we need.
Elder, with my own eyes, I watched these people stand against the Sand Leviathans unafraid. They wield powerful tools and knowledge of monsters far greater than our own. They deserve our trust. For the wind's sake, please, please give the order for our people to shelter.
Very well, Zato. If you are that certain.
My guy's just like, get up, run.
What's going on?
We're here early.
Oh, what happened?
The Doshaguma!
Get everyone to safety.
Stay calm! Gather the young and elderly and take shelter!
Okay.
I'll help.
Right.
Nona!
Here you are, big. Oh, wait.
Are you okay?
Come on.
We need to move.
I know.
Have you seen Nata? He went looking for Nona.
Nona.
Let's split up.
Right.
Okay, is Met freaking out? We're freaking out.
I got you. We gotta move.
Now it's Bloodline Rules. If you ever watched that, I can't remember what his name is. YouTube channel, but so he likes anime a bunch. Talks about it. Oh.
It's drawn to the livestock. Nata! Don't worry, the hunter is here. Just watch. There's nothing to be afraid of. Let's find a safe place. We need to drive them out of here!
I know.
Yeah, let him. Oh shit! Oh, that's a big boy.
Let's go.
Oh, I'm on an automatic train, knowing or what?
Take the overhead route, you might be able to get ahead of the pack.
The Sacred will take it from here.
We're counting on you.
Hey, did you see that rock?
Yeah, let's give him a headache.
Boom.
That's still going strong.
Don't lose them!
They seem pretty built up.
So this part was actually decently far into the game, huh?
The one that's larger than the rest is their alpha. If we take down the alpha, the pack should disperse.
I'll try provoking it with an attack.
Attack the alpha and get its attention.
Time.
He's real angry now.
Now, we'll make for the desert.
Right.
They're right on our tails.
The sandstorm!
Oh, great. Falling down the pit. Oh. The sandworm's getting him. Or sand leviathan, I guess is what it's called. Yeah, he's like, I ain't playing. Get off me. He mad now.
Back him up.
On it.
You see what my guy looks like. Oh, dang. Just throws him.
The guild audience. And restore peace to Knafa village.
Keep this real quick. I always get hit by lightning. Ooh. What do you think this is? He's gonna walk up to me and eat me? What the hell? What the heck was that? Dude, come on. Last chance. Nope.
Leave this to me. Heels inbound.
I feel like I should just be... Yeah, that's... What the heck, when he falls down, I'm like nowhere to be found, huh? Oh, come on. That was a new move. All because he's hurt or some shit? Here we go. Finally.
Time to go on the offensive.
I'm gonna hit you with this before you get out of it.
Looks like it's moving to a new area.
Good. Oh, he's hurting though. Cooking a storm, that's what I'm talking about. Delicious. Oh! He's gonna be around this corner. Gotcha. Whoa, what's that? Failing bullcrap. The hell was that? Say goodbye to the ground. See you. Ah, come back. There it is. Gotcha. To the ground. Hit him one more time, dude. Keep running. We're on you, buddy. There's no running from us. Oop, never mind. There's mine outcropping, so you're good. Get as far away as you want. Ah, dang. I wonder when we're gonna start getting the better or. This. It's a bug, okay. Oh, it's a healing bug. That's cool. Give me that. Another one of these. Let's see if there's anything else interesting in there. Just iron. Okay. Come on. I might have let him get too far away here. Making his way downtown through the pools of all the stuff now. Oh, he's trying to eat for substance, or he can attack by other. He's fighting his fire chicken out. Definitely won against the chickens, huh? Oh, can I get it? Come on. That bullcrap and roar shit is an ignorant accident. Head one. Get in the face. This is one of my favorite attacks. Because I really should just use red mode more and learn to... I'm sure that does something for my damage, having a fully charged blade. I'll have to do something like... I usually do like in depth once we get to past the... Ow, story mode. That hurt. Can I, anybody want to help? I'm gonna drink this real quick. How about that? Okay. Bullshitting. That's dumb legend. Quick! Cut your leg. Oh! Get up, dude. Sure they are. Did I just... Actually hit him with that. Okay. This is the first part of the combo, but I hit him on the way through, which is good, but awesome.
Sandstorm.
Sandstorm passed? Get some hype from this dude. I'm sure his stuff will be nice because he was a bit stronger than anything I've faced up to this point. Starting to get to like the decent monsters. He was like the easy version of the hard monsters. I already know it. Sharpen up the blade, sharpen up the blade. There we are. Glorious. Got a silver crown, whatever that is. Obtain a new reward, giant crown. No idea what that is, but okay.
Nice work, Hunter. You did it.
Nobody messes with my partner.
Now that the pack is dispersed, we should...
Oh, but I wanted to get some herbs. Guess not, whatever.
Oh, wow. The landscape is so lush.
You can see so far now.
The wind's gasp is a breathtaking sight, no matter how many times I look at it. Something about it just grabs me. I see the Delphodons have new mini-sized additions to their herd.
Oh, it's a baby. There's something in that tree over there.
Didn't we see those birds in the forest? And now they're nesting here.
Oh,
There's the
give
villagers.
it to me.
Oh good, the livestock's safe.
Hey there!
You've returned. I'm so glad you're safe.
Come on, we need to find Sato. Isai and the others must be worried sick. I'm sure Nata's worried sick about you too. We made it.
It's great to be back.
Just some repairs need to be done. That's about it.
The Elder and Zato told us everything.
I need to clear out my inventory after this, probably. But most likely I'll be doing like all the side hunts and stuff after this.
Thank the winds you've returned. I've heard what you've done for us. And now the Doshaguma have moved on. Our livestock are unharmed. Our homes saved.
Yes, but
What was broken can be mended. What truly matters is that the great season of plenty has arrived. And we can share in it together. At times, we don't have all the answers we think we do. But I hope you will accept our heartfelt gratitude.
Thank you. Is there anything we can offer you in return?
well, we belong to an organization known as the Hunters Guild. As you are aware, my friends and I are on an expedition to find the village of the Keepers. We would be grateful if you would allow us to speak to the people here and gather information.
Ah, of course. Our gates will remain open to you. Visit any time, day or night.
Elder, I believe it would be fitting to lend their comrades more of our sacred.
Why, that's a fine idea. May they aid you in your journey.
Yeah, I might change up his shit as soon as possible.
I'm so happy you're all safe!
Oh, I'm so glad to see you. We've been worried about you since you left.
See? Told you they'd be fine. You saved me. I can't thank you enough.
Nice to cross one problem off the list. Speaking of which, Nata, did you and Astrum Unit have any luck with your investigation?
Uh-huh. We found this place deep in the forest with lots of water, and nearby were some drag marks. I remember that the White Wraith had something dragging from its arms. So maybe it's what left those marks.
Yeah. You might just be onto something. I think we should travel to the forest base camp together. Better safe than sorry.
Let's go. We've got Sacred to deliver.
Let me know when you're ready to go. I'll be waiting for you at the Plains base camp.
Nice. Oh, HR3. Cool. There we go. I can fast travel there. Here, I'll talk to... Where is he? Oh, he's right here. Talk to him real quick.
Hope we find it this time. Are we going to the forest?
Okay, so this is the start of the next story mission. Let's see what it is. Oh, dang, I didn't even... Oh, crap. I didn't even start a timer. But, yeah, that should be about 45 minutes, so that'll be good enough. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.